In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add search in Glide. Adding a search bar makes it easy for your users to find items quickly, especially if your app shows long lists of records like products, contacts, or tasks. We'll turn it on in the builder, and you'll see exactly where this setting lives, so you can enable it with confidence. First, open your browser and head to the Glide website. Then, sign in to your account. Use whichever sign-in method you normally use. After you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, where all your projects live. Next, choose the project you want to edit. Clicking it opens the Glide Builder for that app. This is your workspace for designing screens, connecting data, and tweaking behavior. Inside the builder, go to Layout. The Layout area controls how your app looks and how each screen presents its data. It's where you decide what your users see, from list styles to detail screens. Make sure you're viewing the part of your app where you want search to be available, typically a screen that displays a list of items. On the left sidebar, look for Options. This panel contains settings that affect the current screen, including visibility, actions, and other display choices. It's also where Glide places quick toggles that turn features on or off for the layout you're editing. Find the setting labeled Show Search Bar and toggle it on. As soon as you do, a search field appears at the top of your app's screen in the preview. This search bar filters the items your users see in real time, helping them zero in on the exact record they need. If you don't immediately see the toggle, check that you're editing a layout that supports searching, such as a list view that draws from a data source with text to search through. When you're ready to make this change live, head to the top right corner and click Publish. Publishing updates your live app so users get the search bar without needing any extra steps on their end. It's a small setting, but it delivers a big improvement in navigation and usability, especially as your data grows. And that's all it takes to add search in Glide. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.